हे एवरीवन। अच्छा, मान लो आपके पास कुछ शेयर्स हैं किसी कंपनी के, एंड दैट कंपनी इज नाउ बीइंग अक्वायर्ड बाय सम अदर कंपनी, एंड you're not happy with that decision. The new management that would come in, you're not happy with it, and you do not want to keep those shares, right, with you. You no longer want to continue with those shares. So what is the exit route for you in that case? So जो हमारे regulators हैं ना, SEBI and CCI, they have this rule which says that whenever a company A acquires 25% stake in another company B, then that company A would have to come with an open offer, which is nothing but a buyback to the general public, which is us, wherein they would offer to buy 26% of the total shares of company B from us. So if we want, if अगर हम खुश नहीं हैं उस डिसीजन से, तो हम उस बायबैक ऑफर को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, और जो प्राइस होगा बायबैक ऑफर का, दैट वुड बी लास्ट 2 weeks और लास्ट 52 weeks एवरेज, विच एवर इज हायर बिटवीन द टू. So this is something which you should know and take advantage.